In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Monzo PIN number, easiest way. First, make sure you have a Monzo current account. If you're brand new, download the official Monzo app from your app store and follow the on-screen prompts to sign up. You'll be asked to verify your identity in the app and set up basic security like a passcode or biometrics. Once your account is approved and your card is active, you're ready to view your PIN. If you're already a customer, simply open the app and sign in as normal. Next, head to your card settings inside the app. From the home screen, tap into your account and select your Monzo card. Look for the area where you manage card details. This is typically labeled Card Manage or Card Settings and often shows your card image. This section is where Monzo puts all the key controls related to your physical card. Now, reveal your PIN. In the card settings, find the option called Reveal PIN. For your security, the app will ask you to authenticate, usually with your phone's passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. After you confirm, your 4-digit PIN will appear on screen for a short time. Read it carefully, memorize it, and don't share it with anyone. Avoid screenshots or screen recording while viewing your PIN. Many devices and banking apps block this for your protection. If you think someone else might be watching your screen, close the PIN view and try again later in a private place. If you'd like to change your PIN, you can usually do this at a cash machine that supports PIN services. Insert your Monzo card, enter your current PIN, and choose the Change PIN option. Follow the prompts to enter a new 4-digit number and confirm it. Choose something memorable to you, but hard to guess. Avoid obvious combinations like repeated numbers, sequences, or dates connected to you. If you're abroad, not all ATMs offer PIN change. If possible, make the change on a compatible machine before you travel. A few quick tips to wrap up. Keep your Monzo app secured with biometrics or a strong device passcode. Never share your PIN, and if you suspect it's been compromised, change it as soon as you can. If you don't see the Reveal PIN option or you're running into errors, update the app to the latest version and try again. And if you still need help, use the in-app support chat to reach Monzo directly. That's it. Open your account, go to card settings, reveal your PIN, and optionally change it at a compatible ATM. Thanks for watching and keep your banking details safe.